themes as Matthew Wright left it for Paul Harris. Harris the 3. Yun na. Now, umpisa na.
If you're getting more minutes in your new team, that's definitely a win.
Sean McAndy, proof positive. We saw earlier Meralco defeating Blackwater handily. If you're an unselfish team, 4 minutes 25 remaining. Paul Harris, jumper. Ito mo yung rotation ng bola pag tumitira. Bo Belga, 3 on the way. To the trailing Bo Belga. Takes that 3, di gumagat si Chua. Karakot in the lane. Dropped it, put it up, got it to go.
Anton Asisio, sila lang pala ang nag-invite sa kanya na mag-try out o na makita siya.
Well, they like what he saw.
He can get a lot of different opportunities. Ang kagandahan pa ngayon, hinahanap niya mas yung mga
Johnson Rios kicks to Perk. Perk the drive. In the lane, so might step. And he gets it to go. Nice move. Mula kay Jason Perkins. Past the halfway mark of this second quarter. Henry Walker, imamama niya in defender. And he puts it in. And when this guy decides,
he knows he's got the advantage there.
gusto niya yun, no? Joel Ponferrada, good hands, finishing at the rim. Adrian Wong for 3. Good setup mula kay JV Mocon.
Inbound pa lang ng bola yun.
Got a motor that just keeps going and going. Oh, power move. JV Mocon just got sick of getting entrapped underneath. Said, I'm gonna make this and just get out of here. Wala pang 3 minutes ang natitira. Paul Harris falling down. Matthew Wright. Mahanti was sliding, didn't get it. Will they go back to him in that corner? Yes, they do. What's Mahanti gonna do? Go to the lefty layup. 3 from Belga. Bounces out. Santillán tried but couldn't get it. Here comes Banquero. Goes into the defense. Look at that! Into the chest of the defender.
Scorer so far for Rainer Shine. Rainer Batak with 12 and then Santi Santillán with 13.
Adrian Wong. DJ trying to make a move. Out to Belga. And you saw that. He lined it up. Boom, hitting it. Waiting for that opportunity to finally make a run, and they have done that. Norwood trying to add on to it, and he does. Melesio, leaving it for Camacho. Walang mapuntahan, labas ulit. Dahil pang oras, tinira agad ni Melesio. Good decision naman on his part. Ni Hazul naman. Anong gagawin niya? Inside to Rios. Look at that. That connection. Na yan. Hazul. They don't want manage on Johnson Rios ba yun? Stopping JV Mocon in mid-air. Hazul wants another.
Remember I told you.
But Walker now has Perkins in his head, if not on his hip. There's the third. Ganon. That's how. Dito sa fourth quarter. But he's been boarding. Banquero, kapapasok lang. Outside to Belga, open from 3. They left him. Pasok na naman yan. Pangatlong. Grabe the way Phoenix crowds them. No? Parang they don't know where to go.
Everybody's active. Wide open. Ito si Bo Belga. Nice little shot fake.
Nambata will go into the defender and knock it down.